Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami sa Clark ulit Airport. Ayan. Ito sila. Pupunta kami ng Boracay. See you. So guys, ito check-in na kami online. Ito yung ano natin ngayon guys. Leb, saan tayo pupunta? O, tikpan mo na yung camera. Let's go Boracay, bilis. Let's go Boracay. Hi guys, boarding na kami. Going Boracay. Sila sa likod. Okay, tara, pasok na tayo.
Keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Boracay. Welcome. Welcome to Boracay. Let's go Boracay. Guys, dito na kami sa port. Ayan sila guys. Nagpalit lang kami ng chinelas kasi maulan dito sa Boracay. Pasakay na kami dito sa boat. Ayun o. Let's go. Ayan guys, dito tayo sasakay. Ayun, ayun. Ayun yung boat natin. Sasakay na sila. Hello Boracay. Mau! Kalakalali ako. Ayan po guys, sasakay na kami. Yung boat namin. Mau, pakatalan mo matalusad. Tara, let's go. Ferry boat. Boracay. Oh.
Keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming
Boracay.
back.
Ito na kami guys. Ayan. Grabe oh. It's a paradise. Grabe. Ang liwanag. Parang ano, parang tignan nyo oh, di ba? Liwanag. Okay, see you. Lunch muna kami. Welcome back mga balagkubag. Hi guys, dito na kami sa Boracay. Ito, waiting na lang ng sunset. Ayun, kita nyo ba guys? Yung sunset guys. Daming tao dito, grabe. Friend flag pala. You know, hindi makakalahot yung mga bangka. Tapos yung mga tao dito guys, oh. Ang chino, grabe oh. Chino, oh. Grabe, solid.
camping. O anong gusto nyo gawin nakapagod sa mga castle, sa mga kahoy na may pangalang tupa.
Hey, how's your day? Balak Totoy. Hey, Balak Totoy. How's your day? It is what? It is Boracay. Let's go, mom. Dinner time, guys. Here, Pamana. Pesta Cafe. Libot-libot tayo dun. Okay. Dinner na tayo. Let's go. Okay, guys. Dinner na kami. Sa Sizzling House kami, guys. Para hindi mahirapan kumain. Leb, kain ka mabuti ha. Bago inom. Okay, let's go. Sogbu. Busog na naman ang mga bata. Ayan po guys. Kapos lang kumain dito. Okay. Morning guys. Boracay.
Call me when you want, baby, I can take it in my heart. Yeah, yeah, me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Iki. Iki. Iki.
And then after natin mag-shopping, order tayong lunch today.
Punta lang ako dito.
With free hot bath tawa. After natin dyan, mamimili tayo sa Bulangang Island. Yes, ma'am. Kung cliff jumping, mag-cliff.
Island hopping na kami guys. Naka-get up na kami. Okay. Let's go.
Call me when you want, baby, I can take it in my heart. Yeah, yeah, me your love. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, di ba? Wow! Oh, yay! Oh, di ba? Oh, oh.
Day 2. Hi guys. Picture na kami guys. Daming tao dito guys. Oh.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave till empty. Got it all back by myself, no nobody can tempt me. If I better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure. Lessons after lessons, had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it all.